Hey, baby. You playing with that beehive? You playing? Earlier I heard some noise. He was thumper kicking that thing. Look at him. Him little toys. That's the little thing you pull the honey out of the comb, and the little bumblebee. I don't know what the little square is. There's a square. I thought it was a waffle or a biscuit. Oh, maybe it's one of the combs. Yeah. What you doing, BG? You playing? He sticks his head in the holes. Hey there, baby. He said that's his little mermaid. What you doing, BG? You like Little Mermaid? Well, he likes the tag. He says, I like the tag, Mommy. Him's my baby. Him's my baby. Look at that. Look at that. You gonna go back to your honeycomb? Say, what is this? Say, what is that? And this? And that could be a scary face. There it goes. So you got lots of toys, BG? Yeah, him's my baby.